It is day number 108 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. There was breaking news that came out from Los Angeles City Hall today. It was announced that all LA County beaches will remain closed during the 4th of July weekend. The reason why is because of the recent surge and spikes of coronavirus cases that have been reported in Los Angeles. Case in point, today, the local health department announced that today saw the highest increase of coronavirus cases in a single day in Los Angeles since the start of this pandemic. Over 2,900 Angelenos in one day were tested positive for COVID-19. In addition, the health experts and officials warn that in the incoming weeks, there may not be enough beds, hospital beds in particular, to accommodate patients that have COVID-19. They may not meet the demand for beds in hospitals because of the recent surge of coronavirus. And if the Angelenos, and specifically the LA officials, don't do something really quick to stop the spread, we might see a very dire and critical situation. Not saying that we're already in a critical situation. And in addition, moreover, regarding the coronavirus here in Los Angeles, there was another big news that was announced today. A somber milestone. Over 100,000 confirmed coronavirus cases of Angelenos that have been tested positive for COVID-19 so far since the start of this pandemic. And then over 3,300 Angelenos have died so far because of COVID-19. And the health experts and even the public officials, local and state, have said the same thing. People are not abiding by the COVID-19 protocols that were in place. They're not wearing face masks. They're not practicing social distancing. They're gathering in very small confined places. They're not disinfecting. They're not using hand sanitizer. And they're not staying at home. And right now, at this very moment, in a critical moment, they're urging all Angelenos to please stay at home. Staying home is one of the strongest weapons that we have to combat the COVID-19 virus and to slow down the spread. Staying home right now is not just a choice, but it is a requirement that they're asking. And there might be soon, we might be looking, like I said before, back to square one where everything is closed and we're back in staying home order. We're looking at that very moment of looking at that situation becoming reality. But the more I see it, the more I see the upcoming news of recent spikes. We have to do our best, and I'm going to do my best to stay at home to make sure that the virus doesn't spread around my area and also my family members, and I do my part as well to make sure that I'm not a threat to anyone and not a threat to myself or my family members. Staying at home is the way to do it, and I'm going to continue to do that. And I hope all Angelenos are doing the same thing. But so far, it doesn't look like that's the case. So that is it for today's video. Like I said before, staying at home is the biggest weapon that we have to combat COVID-19, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. The only way that I'm going to go outside are for essentials only, either to go to get groceries or medicine, but that's it, nothing more. And I hope every Angeleno is going to do the same thing before it's too late, and we might be looking at a very critical situation in our hands. So everyone, stay strong, stay safe.